Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Total.
What does the dictionary say?
Constituting or comprising the whole.
Math rap.
When it all adds up and you've had your fun, the numbers in addition start to reach a sum. The end result, here's my proposal. The result of adding is the total.
Math rap.
What is your favorite number? Why? Can you count faster forwards or backwards? Test it out. Time yourself for 30 seconds and see how far you get. Choose any number and add 9 to it. Multiply this number by 2. Subtract 4. Divide the remainder by 2. Subtract the new number by the number you first chose. Why is the answer 7? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!